Hey everybody, we are at the 2025 Milwaukee Media Event.
Yeah, they call it Pipeline. There's over 100 different products that we're going to get our hands on and show you guys.
Yeah, we're going to show you some stuff. Hey everybody, I'm at the Milwaukee Media Event. I'm here with my buddy Joe. Joe, thanks for having us. It's always good to see you. We're going to talk about the new 7 1/4 circular saw with one key, but Joe, it's not just one key.
It's not just one key.
Tell me what's behind the curtain here.
Sure. So not only is this our very first one-key circular saw that harnesses the power of our industry-leading inventory management and tracking solution, but Rob, I know you're going to love this. It's got VACLINK Wireless Dust Control.
I love that. How do you please show me that? I mean, that's amazing.
It's easy to show. Yeah. All you do is pull the trigger.
So it's
going to fire up. Right? So that's the beauty of automating your dust efficient means, and whether it's a small basement remodel or even some of the largest mega job sites, right? We're starting to see mandates happen where when dust is created, dust must be collected, right? And that's
so it's just a Bluetooth connection button, Bluetooth.
Exactly, Bluetooth connection button, right? And this is our all-new Nexus Vac, so we not only do we have it paired to our saw, but we also have it paired to the remote. So, you know, let's say, hey, as those tools maybe doesn't have VACLINK, you're able to use this, fire that saw on too, right? And you can simply pause this. Hey, I don't want to use this. I paused it. It's not going to fire that saw on, and I want to use this. I don't want to use this anymore. I'm done playing with this.
There are definitely applications. Probably 99% of my applications, I'm not collecting circular sawdust, right? But there are applications inside that we would.
Absolutely.
There's another secret to this saw, right?
One that I am extremely passionate about, and one that's first of its kind. So we've made a significant investment in artificial intelligence and machine learning, which has allowed us to solve a significant problem that's plagued the circular saw category for decades. Robin, that's kickback.
So you have AI-controlled kickback? How does that even work?
So we've been able, through our unique machine learning models and field testing and training this model in the field side by side with some of our largest trade partners and end users to discern, hey, is this kickback, is this false positive?
Right.
And we're able to get it nice and accurate to the point where it's seamless to your workflow. So you can't actually turn this off, Rob. This is always going to be working in the background.
No kidding.
And it's going to have your back when you need it the most.
Can I say Siri, can you tell me? No. What's the weather today, Siri? Or?
So it's just going to have the button here too. So again, you know, you're going to have to put it in an environment where kickback can actually happen. And that's what we have here today as a demo.
Let's do it.
So
I want to see this.
We don't recommend doing this at home. This is, again, creating a kickback event. But what we're going to be doing here is showcasing this feature live in action.
Okay.
So with that, we'll make a quick cut, Rob.
Wow, you're going to cut in between the boards?
Right, finger is still on the trigger, right? And this saw has completely shut power off.
I cannot believe you did that. I was like, he is absolutely crazy.
Right?
Because you know what's going to happen. I mean, we predict it. We know.
Kickback can happen from hundreds of reasons, right? It can be inexperience. Wow. It can be the most experienced guy who may have a momentary lapse of judgment.
Yeah, not paying attention.
Hey, I may have that guard pin back. We do not recommend that to happen, but we know it does. I could lose my footing. I could slip, trip, or fall. There's a number of things, Rob, where kickback can happen downstream, and again, this is going to have your back. And hey,
I'm scared, but I want to try that.
Time is money, so if you want to finish that cut, Rob,
oh boy,
your next trigger pull, you're ready to go.
Oh my God.
Well, let's get this reset for you.
This goes against everything that I know to be true. So, like, I'm constantly preaching to the young guys, do not, you know, support, don't do it. So,
don't do it.
Oh boy. One hand, two hands? One's okay? Oh God, here we go. Wow. Wow. Holy smokes. All right, tell me, is this available now? Price, you know, where is this? When can we see this?
This will be late Q1 2026. The price point on this is going to be an MSRP right around $349 USD, $549 for the kit. It's going to be sold alongside our baseline version. So this will be a step up.
Yeah,
our baseline, our 2834 is currently sitting right around $279 USD. This will be $349, so a small step up, but what you're getting is immense value from this feature set.
I mean, at some point, does it make sense to put this technology in every circular saw you sell? Or
this is first of its kind, and it's completely new to world.
Yeah.
And Rob, I'll be honest with you, I'm extremely passionate about this feature. And some of the experiences that I've had on job sites across the country have been life-changing.
Oh my God. Is this a demo that actually...
We've got one more demo here today, and we're going to showcase this. So in an effort to control kickback, We're not going to actually demo anything that doesn't have this feature live in action, but we're going to show this side by side in an automated fixture. So similar to how you break a rotor in a car, we've got pneumatic brake pistons and brake pads underneath to create that binding moment. Exactly.
Just going to pinch, right?
Exactly. It's going to pinch. So I want to point your attention to two things: the trigger being depressed and that rotation of the blade.
Okay, I see it. Cool jig.
So when that happens, the saw detects it, shuts the power off.
Yeah, and it stopped it within probably a quarter of an inch. It moved maybe that.
Now what you'll notice is when that kickback event happens, that blade will continue to spin. And there is a lot of unintended consequences that are downstream of a spinning blade that are coming out at you. Of course. Right? And again, this is going to have your back when you need it the most.
That is
First year on the site or 40th year on the site, this saw is going to change the game.
Dude, this is exciting. I'm really happy I got to see it. Thank you so much.
You bet, Rob.
Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, guys.
It's a wrap. What'd you think?
Oh, it was great. It was a lot of red, a lot of fun.
Yeah, innovation, passion. It was a good time.